We have obviously the dashing good-looking one with the stylo Milo hair.
That's Joseph.
We have fun-size package, Ruben. And we have someone where even Justin Bieber cut his fringe, dude.
Hi Adam, it's been a while. How have you been?
Never mind.
By the way, these two guys used to work together on Hits.fm, Adam and
How did
Jin.
you put up with him?
No, seriously,
We heard
I mean...
all your stories.
Hey, I left because I couldn't put up with him.
It's good to see you, Adam. You know, it's been a while.
Yeah, it's very good to see you as
I
well.
feel the love, you know. Low.
Just like that.
Exactly.
Hot. Anyhow, you guys are obviously making a huge wave right now with your videos. How did that happen?
Well, it's just when we were about to, like, you know, put out something on YouTube. I started it when we were in Hits. You know, we put out videos of people we interview, and I was like, hey, let's shoot something. And everybody was like, really? You know, they were really skeptical. So I wrote a script based on a personal experience of buying a camera. And I went to everyone asking, hey, would you like to act in the script? And when they looked at the script, like, and they looked at the third page, I was like, yeah. So we met Joseph, and Joseph looked at the script for the first time. I was like, let's do this. And I roped in Ruben, and Ruben was like, yeah, you know, let's do this. And we just went out one day, 8-hour shoot. We edited the video in 2 days, and then we just put it out, and we weren't expecting anything. It was called Awing, Malaysia's #1 salesman.
Yeah, so you put him as that
6 million viewers, right? You guys got?
Well, in total, we have 6 million views right now. We've got 5 short films out. And we're going to be releasing the next one this coming 14th of May.
Okay, the most important thing right now is I know for a fact that Ruben had a crush on Jay growing up.
Had.
I told you.
I didn't want to bring
Don't
that
be very
up.
worried about what you tweet, okay?
No, that was my Facebook and it's
What did he
Did you
tweet?
actually say something on
Wait.
Facebook?
I made his childhood dream come true.
Something has to be pointed out. When he was growing up, Jay. What does that say?
Ruben, wait, let me just ask you this, okay?
How old are you?
Looking at me now, and no, I'm not
Look
gonna
at you now.
Look at me now,
Back
and all,
then.
of course, yeah.
true
I mean,
HD.
I still do.
That's why he's an actor.
Oh, yeah.
He's an actor.
And he's still single.
Hey, by the way, I heard you have another girlfriend or something by the name of Cassandra or something like that. Want to say hi to her on TV?
I don't have a girlfriend. I don't know.
Okay, well, you have a girlfriend in the form of Chelsea, right?
I'm so gone.
Okay, taking all the pressure out of Ruben. Joseph, you lost 30 kgs by going on a special diet program. What diet program is that?
Never
Oh,
Not
it's a
eating.
secret.
Just water. You only drank water, nothing else.
Yeah, no, it's just basically just getting the basics of healthy lifestyle. That's pretty much it. It's easier than a lot of people think.
Well,
Yeah.
Jin went through the same thing. I know that for a fact.
Oh, yeah?
I went to Jin's house, and I did not recognize you, Jin. How did you
a big
lose
boy,
so much
yeah?
weight? He was
Yeah,
bigger than me.
boy.
But 3 times your size.
Was he? What? God, this is the kind of
I
thing
didn't know that.
Betty, you know.
Hey, don't do that. Okay, see, this is how far we go way back. He comes to my house and checks out all my baby pictures, and he goes to my mom.
What's wrong with you? Why would you go and to a guy's house
I
and
didn't
check out
just
his
go
baby
to his
pictures?
house to look at his pictures. Right. I went to
It's
his
very
house
random.
for a reason. Just to see how his mother puts up with him.
Okay. Speaking of football, Joseph, you support which team? Chelsea?
Chelsea, yes, definitely.
Hey, Ruben?
Walk on with hopes in your heart.
Excuse me.
Liverpool.
How about Jin?
Jin, I'll give you the shirt for
Chelsea
free.
or Liverpool?
No. Actually,
Liverpool.
I'm going to give you some
Liverpool.
options. Fenerbahce or, let's see, Santos. Who do you pick?
Fenerbahce.
Fenerbahce.
An interesting way. Interesting name, so that's why I choose it.
MPPJ Selangor brother.
Oh, really?
That's the way. They don't exist anymore.
Malaysia, Harimau Malaya.
Yeah.
But they don't play domestic competitions. You
They
have to
do
choose.
actually, in a way.
In a way. You have to choose a club.
I'm a bit lost right now.
Okay, never mind.
Okay, just... Never mind.